All right, we are just setting the tone, you guys, for good vibes and good hair with AIIR Professional, the first crystal infused hair care line. Hey guys, I'm Jenny, founder of AIIR Professional, and today I want to show you guys some really quick tips that you guys can achieve at home to get some really big, full hair. Not only that, but to have those everlasting curls. We're going to be utilizing 3 products of AIIR today, so let's go ahead and show you how to rock these curls. Let's do it. All right, so my favorite product for full hair is definitely our dry texture mousse. Now, this is so fantastic because it has that volcanic ash in it, so it's gonna really give you some grit and texture to it, really expanding the cuticle. Volcanic ash is also known to be a preventative for oily and greasy hair, so it's gonna be definitely a great one for you guys. So you just wanna put some in your palms here, and then really get it in at the root and blow dry it in. You can use it on wet or dry hair. Okay guys, you can see how much volume that gave her. Now, if you want more volume, you can actually take in a round brush. Sedona, I know her hair really well, so us just kind of power drying it with our fingers, pulling it up, does the trick just fine. So now that we have all that texture, we're gonna go through with a 1-inch curling iron. Now, a huge trend right now is kind of that flouncy, like tighter curls, almost like a Carrie Bradshaw moment. So we're gonna go through with a 1-inch curling iron, utilizing the flexible hold hairspray that has rose quartz in it, and then just wrapping around our iron. So we're gonna go ahead and just do it in 2 sections. This is definitely a faster version. So 2 sections, wrap it around, and then we're gonna play around with getting it even a little bigger. So we're gonna use the flexible hold hairspray. This is actually infused with rose quartz, and rose quartz is the crystal of love. It could be self-love, it could be if you're trying to just manifest love, supportive love around you. So really amazing that it's in the hairspray. Now we're just gonna go ahead and take a 1-inch curling iron, and you don't want all the curls to be perfect. You kind of want it to give it that natural curl look. So we're just gonna go ahead and point this down. We're gonna open it up and just wrap it around, holding it there just for a few seconds, releasing, and then continue around the whole side of the head. Okay, now we're on the top. We're gonna do the same thing, wrap it around that curling iron, let it sit there for just a couple seconds, release, kind of like to scrunch at it sometimes, and let it sit. And once it's cool to touch, you know it's okay to start kind of running your fingers through it. Now that it's cool to touch, we're just gonna go ahead and unravel it. You wanna be kind of delicate with this. Now, we did put the mousse in there, which is gonna have that protection of hold in there, but you definitely want to be a little careful because sometimes, you know, if you brush at it too fast, it can tend to kind of fall out. So we just wanna kind of go through it with our fingers. You can see it's starting to expand. Now we're just gonna kind of massage it a little bit at the root. We're gonna take some Texture AIR. Now, Texture AIR is a texture spray that's gonna add a lot of grit and texture to our hair. Also, it's gonna really expand that cuticle. It's infused with crystal quartz, known as the manifesting stone. We're gonna get in there, really picking up at the roots. right, now we're just gonna go ahead and massage that in there, and you guys can see what a big difference that texture air and that dry texture mousse has made in Sedona's hair. It looks so voluminous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and for good hair and good vibes, check out AIIR Professional, the first crystal infused hair care line.